Hi guys, and welcome back to the African Print DIY channel. If you are new here, welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be making this African print halter neck top, and I'm going to be using this fabric. So the first thing that I do is to take out about 2 inches from the edge, from one edge. This is a 1 yard fabric. You're going to see this when I open it up later. It's a 1 meter, or let's just say 1 yard by 1 meter by 1 meter piece of fabric. Then the first thing that I did was to go on the edge of the fabric, and then I removed about 2 inches of the fabric, and then I just cut that away. This is what I used for the neck. And then I cut that piece and I sized it, and I just made sure it was enough to go around my neck. And I also left a little bit of space because I used a button for this. I used a press stud to fasten it. So if you're going to be using a button or whatever fastening method you're going to use, you just measure it according to the circumference of your neck. And then I sewed it on 2 edges. As you can see there, it's folded. So I folded it in exactly half, and then I just cut it on the side like that. Then I hemmed all 3 edges, and I only left one edge where I was going to attach that neck piece. So you hem all those sides that I'm showing you. So now I took that neck piece that I cut and sewed the first time, and then I took out my iron, and I basically started folding in the raw edges, maybe about half a centimeter inwards. And then when I was done, I now took my top, and then this is the side that I did not hem, the one that I am going to attach that neck, small neck piece thing. All the other 3 sides have been hemmed. Then I fold it, and then I make pleats so that it fits the length of that little neck piece thing. So it's a lot of folding, and you might have to do like trial and error to see like which kind of folding works best. After folding it and pinning it in place, then I now insert it into the neck piece thing just like that. And then I pinned everything together, and then I sewed that on the sewing machine. So that was the end. I was at this point, I was almost done. Then the last thing that I did was to put the press stud. So there are many ways you can fasten this. You can put a press stud, you can put a button and a buttonhole, or the alternative is to make it like quite long, like make it really long so that you can be able to just tie it on your neck. So it was very simple, and it took me like maybe an hour or so, and I was already done. So this is a very quick and simple DIY, and it really turned out into something that is quite nice and wearable. So I hope you guys like this video and this DIY. I'll see you in my next